Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros Motorhome STX is the epitome of mobility and luxury. Exterior: the style blends the sophistication of a luxury RV with the beauty of a contemporary vehicle. While the utilization of lightweight, robust composite materials improves efficiency and stability, smooth, aerodynamic body lines lessen wind resistance. A hydraulic slide-out that increases the inside room while parked is one of the many features that make the STX renowned for its complete customization potential. The integrated back garage, which can hold multiple motorcycles or a small sports vehicle, is one of the most unique features. For convenient loading and unloading, this garage has a platform and hydraulic doors. Inside, using the best materials, the inside is a masterwork of design and craftsmanship. The living space and the helm area blend together perfectly. It has the newest Actros technology, such as advanced driver assistance systems, a multimedia cockpit with 2 digital displays, and MirrorCam, a camera that replaces the rearview mirror. Usually, this space has comfortable couches, a dining table that can be expanded, and a complete entertainment system that includes a big flat-screen TV and a top-notch sound system. The kitchen is similar to one found in a high-end residence. It has built-in appliances from major manufacturers, such as a dishwasher, full-size refrigerator and freezer, microwave, oven, and induction cooktop. The master bedroom has panoramic windows, a walk-in wardrobe, and a king-size bed. The RV can travel across a variety of terrain with ease thanks to its Mercedes-Benz OM 471 or OM 473 inline-six diesel engine, which provides plenty of power and torque. Outfitted with a backup diesel generator, a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, and a rooftop solar panel system via touch panel or smartphone app. Users can operate almost all functions via a central control system, outfitted with a GPS tracker, an alarm system, and external security cameras for added peace of mind.